I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Chris Showalter. He is CEO at Lifezone Metals. And we also have Dowd. He is CEO at GoGreen Investments. Now, today, Lifezone Metals is a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange via a SPAC business combination with GoGreen Investments. Gentlemen, congratulations and welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Oh, thank you. It's amazing to be here.
Great. So now, Chris, let's start off by talking about the company. What is Lifezone Metals?
Yeah, so Lifezone Metals, so we're kind of a modern technology company that combines two things. We provide clean processing technology for the battery metals that the world needs to really fuel this emerging energy transition. And then we also are bringing online the next major source of nickel and cobalt from a mining perspective. So we bring two solutions to the market, clean technology, but then also bringing new sources. So that's kind of the hybrid model that we're bringing to the market.
Okay. Now, John, tell me, why was Lifezone Metals the right combination for GoGreen Investments?
So GoGreen was looking to help a private company with a solution to climate change access capital on the New York Stock Exchange. That was the fundamental goal. So we interviewed, met with over 100 different companies, signed over 35 NDAs, and Lifezone was it, right? They had the right size, they had the right management team. They have the world's largest, highest grade, undeveloped nickel project in the world, and they have a clean processing technology that should make this the cleanest nickel in the world in terms of CO2 emissions per ton. So that's what we're looking for. It's a company with technology that can expand past this individual project, but this project in and of itself is meaningful. Importantly, BHP came in and over the past 2 years in 3 different investments, invested $100 million in BHP, setting a valuation and credentializing the project in a lot of different ways.
Now, Chris, tell me, why was going public via a SPAC business combination with GoGreen Investments the right route to the public market?
Yeah, I think for us, what's unique about the SPAC market is you have kind of like-minded partners. So with John and GoGreen, they have a very specific endeavor, which, as he highlighted, was to really find ways to invest in a clean transition. And I think the pools of capital accessible out there are looking for good projects. So I think for us, it was a like-minded, we shared the same philosophy. We wanted to list, in the US. We wanted to open the US market to specifically investments in Tanzania and to bring new investors in. I think for us to provide not only the technology, but also an investable, situation where they can invest in nickel and cobalt, that is, there's a scarcity of that right now. In the US, so we provide that solution. So, it's really exciting to be here this morning.
So now, John, tell me, what's next for GoGreen Investments?
So GoGreen Investments technically merged with Lifezone today. So my next role is as director of Lifezone. I have a board meeting at 2:00. So that's the immediate next step. Yep. I do think there's demand for GoGreen too, right? Fundamentally, what we did was we helped Lifezone go public. And now investors all over the world can invest and in support in clean metals processing. So really, we helped bring to market something that that investors who are looking to invest in a conscientious manner can participate in. I think there's a lot of demand for solutions to climate change.
All right, and finally, Chris, so you're a publicly traded company now. So tell me, what's next? What are your priorities?
Yeah, I think for us, it's continuing, project by project to apply our technology to clean up the mineral supply chain. I think we're demonstrating that in Tanzania. We're endorsed by BHP as a partner, but this is just the first mine. I think when you look at the need for the mining space to lower their CO2 footprint, we're providing one solution and what's a very big challenge going forward. So I think as we continue to, find opportunities to do bespoke hydromet processing solutions for different operations, that's really our growth market. That's where we're going to be focused. So one mine at a time, but there's a lot to clean up.
All right. Well, congratulations to you both, and welcome to the NYSE community.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.